Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we're going to be making this beautiful mouth-watering Egusi soup. But before we get right into it, please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll never miss an update from the Child Boss. Let's get started. Alright, so haven't gotten all the ingredients ready. We're just going to add our palm oil into our already heated pot. You just put enough according to how much egusi you're cooking. So we're going to add our ground onion and yellow and red pepper mixed together. We're going to give it a quick stir. Then we'll also add our grounded crayfish. Yes, I love crayfish so much. Yeah, I said this in my last video when we were making the ogbono soup. If you have not seen that video, I think you should go there and check it out when you're done watching this. Yes. So after adding the ground crayfish, we're just going to be adding our egusi. Yes, we're actually frying the egusi like this. We're not melting it inside water the way some people do. This is how we like it, and you'll see why we like it as you watch till the end. So I've stirred it real well. Yes, so what we're going to do, we're just going to add hot water into this like right now. Yeah, I love to add my water bit by bit. Like when you add water, you just allow it to like fry and steam up for for like 5 minutes. For you just be adding water bit by bit. I think that's what build up the egusi, that nice texture that we want. So we're just gonna stir it a little bit and then allow it to fry, to cook for like 5 minutes. So this is it after 5 minutes. So we're just going to add our meat stock into it. Instead of adding water, let's just make it about meat stock at this point. Yes, just add all your meat stock that you got from the meat, okay? And then we'll stir it. You can see it was already drying. That's what we love. That's what we want to achieve. Yeah, so we're just going to stir it to have a uniform consistency. So this is it after another 5 minutes, and we're going to add another water again. For this one, a little bit more sufficient than the other one. So it's going to now give us this light, nice mix of the egusi soup. So we'll be covering this and allowing it to heat for like 10 minutes. So this is it after 10 minutes. You can see it's already dry and looking, how will I put it? It's looking very clummy. I don't know what to say, but this is our ogiri, dry ogiri. You can get your locust beans, you can make it of the wet one, but I love dry one because it just spread out as fast or more fast than the other ones. So I'm going to add our meat and our fish, our stock fish also. Just add everything assorted that you want. Just make your food as assorted as you want it to be. We're going to give it a quick stir. You can see how thick and how wonderful this looks. God, if you give this to your husband, I'm sure he's going to be like, babe, just keep cooking egusi soup for me in this house. Okay, so we're going to give it a quick stir. If you know that your fish is going to scatter, just put it at the end instead than to stir it and stir it and stir it, and then you'll be looking for fish to put when you want to eat and then you don't find any fish, knowing fully well that your fish has already scattered inside your food. So that's basically it. So right here, you're fully aware if you haven't added any seasoning, but we're going to be doing that in a while. But I felt like the consistency was still very thick for me, so I had to add some water into it. So right here we'll be adding, I don't know, I added more crayfish because I just wanted that, aroma and taste to, that crayfish aroma and taste to actually sink into this food. So we're going to also add our seasoning cubes right here according to how much your food is. Don't put too much and don't put too less. Okay, we're also going to add our salt to taste right here. Now give it a very wonderful stir. Yes, so that everything you just added will just flow around your pot and give it a nice flavor. Okay, and cover it and allow it to cook for like 6 minutes. So this is it after like 6 minutes. You can see how wonderful this looks. Like the oil just literally came up. I just love everything about this food. So we're going to put in our Uziza leaf. I love this leaf so much because it just goes well with this food. Just a small amount, just like this one. So we're going to stir it a little bit before putting our Ugwu. We're going to allow it to boil a little bit and then we'll come back to put our Ugwu leaves. Okay. So right now we'll be adding our Ugwu leaves after a quick stir and see how wonderful this looks. If this consistency is still not okay for you, you can also add water, but I love it like this. I love it this way. It looks very nice and just perfect. So these are Ugwu leaves and we're going to stir it a little bit. You don't want your Ugwu to overdone, so when you stir it, just off your pot and then you're good to go. Okay. So this is our wonderful mouth-watering fried egusi soup. Like you can see how beautiful this soup looks. Like I can bet you can take this with any swallow, even with corn flour, fufu, pounded yam, what have you. Like this soup is just so nice. You can see the texture, you can see everything just sitting pretty. There's not much oil, there's not much seasoning. I don't know if you can taste it. Everything is just nice. The consistency, the texture is just perfect. Yeah, so make sure you try this at home. Make it for lunch, make it for dinner. Okay, you're going to thank me later. Oh my god, oh my god. So this is our soup. Yes, wonderful egusi soup. I don't think you can see this anywhere. Yes, try this method and you will thank me later. You tell me that this is the best you've seen. Soup is just so nice. So yeah, it's time to eat. Just dish it out and enjoy yourself. So please do well to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button, like this video, and just keep turning on for the Chow Boss. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.